Yeah.
It was, and I definitely wanted you in the film. I was very sure that it
The
had to be
first
pulled off.
narration, why you are so shy, or you're feeling uncomfortable, or you're not confident? You're like very soft when you're talking, and I was like, okay, sir, one second, who is this character coming out of the car? Ah, that is Bhairava. That is you. Okay, Bhairava is me. Okay, I got it.
I'm not. I think my skills. Yeah, I don't think I'm nervous. Kadem, I don't know. Maybe, but majorly, I think my narration skills are uh, pretty bad. Until
Goes back.
like ఒక flow లో అంటే to build it up for me, it's all like trying to hit the marks in my head లో ఉన్నాయి marks.
Yeah.
So ఏదో yeah. So maybe it was little
So
little ఏదో rush through ఏమో.
yeah.
I'm more useful at writing. I think I'll write and I
Okay.
can send. If you read, if you read it, then that will be more clear.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Narration is maybe I'm getting better.
No, now you're good. Now you're good.
Yeah, but yeah. What I definitely movie after. Obviously, you know me only from Mahanati.
Yeah.
So I was like, definitely your biggest fear will be how will this boy who did Mahanati or something full of ఏదో యాక్షన్ అంటున్నాడు, మైథాలజీ అంటున్నాడు.
Yeah. So that we discussed. So you
Yeah,
like the way you explained, I'm fine after
yeah,
that. So the first
yeah,
Pennan garu narration when your first film,
yeah,
he told me you sat down on near his legs down properly, bachi patam veskoni kuchuni, you were narrating.
yeah.
He's like he didn't that time also definitely he didn't understand.
No,
I
no.
asked him, wow, what
Then I was fully
I told
scared.
him
Like
like I couldn't
Pennaga,
understand first narration. What did you understand? He was like,
yeah,
yeah, I understood few
yeah,
parts, but I understood he's very smart, and he used to say, do with this director. He's very good. From the first
yeah, yeah,
film, he was always telling Nagi is very good director. He's going to be very big director. You should do a film with him. And he was telling, watch Yovade, first watch it. You see that fellow, he's too good. And I was like, yeah, and all. Finally, you
finally I came.
gave the biggest film for me.
Pennan garu, I don't know if I was nervous when I came to you or not, but when I went to Krishnamurti garu, I was definitely nervous. And that was every first movie,
Yeah.
and అంటే and going to him the biggest star, going to him and narrating the story, I definitely fully nervous. I don't know what was happening. ఏదో స్టార్ట్ చేశాను ఆయన కోసం ఏదో చెప్పడం స్టోరీ, ఇంకా ఇది వర్కౌట్ కావట్లేదని చెప్పి ఇంకా కూర్చొని సార్ ఇది బేసిక్లీ కదా ఐ జస్ట్ సాట్ డౌన్ and I said this is what the story is. ఇప్పుడు నేను కరెక్ట్లీ బికాస్ విల్ బి యూస్ టు అ ప్రాపర్ నరేషన్ కదా, మంచి రైటర్లు మంచిగా యాక్టింగ్ చేసుకుంటూ చెప్తారు కదా స్టోరీ. మనం
జంప్లు, సౌండ్లు,
మనం
ఆర్ఆర్లు, కెమెరా
అదే అదే సో అలా చెప్తారు. నేను ఇంకా సగం తెలుగు ఇంగ్లీష్ లో ఏదో ఏదో అలా చెప్పి ఇంకా ఐ వాజ్ ఫుల్లీ ప్యాక్ అయింది అప్పుడు. అండ్ ఐ స్టిల్ రిమెంబర్